Can I rewire my own house? That's a question that people ask me. Obviously, I can rewire a house, but can you do it? Can anyone do it? Well, you are meant to be a competent, confident, and accredited person to do that. And also, the accredited person who would be registered with an accrediting body like NIC, EIC, Alexa, and these different people, they would be down as the qualified supervisor, that's the name, for being able to actually give paperwork. So the thing is, if you want to certify work, you want it to be under warranty, insurance covered as well, which is what the proper installs give you. You also want to be submitted to building control if it's a domestic property. So all of these things need to have accredited people to do it. Some people try and get away with doing it themselves and then getting someone to certify it. Now, the issue with that is the accrediting bodies will not allow the installer has to be on that paperwork on the signature. Now, so that can get very tricky, and people have actually got into trouble, or it's cost them money to rectify or get to the bottom of, and taken a lot of time and hassle getting that worked out when they've bought or sold or whatever it is to prove that it's been done right. So the short answer, you might think I was going to say this anyway and that it's a bit of an obvious one, but is to get it done properly in the first place, because not only is it going to last you, it's going to be covered, the warranty's there, the insurance, it's going to be a whole lot less hassle, because the risk is if you have to do any part of it again, then there's all of that redecorating, more channeling, all the mess and disruption to go through again. So I hope that's helped. I know it's definitely pushed in the direction of getting it done properly, but I really wouldn't recommend anything other than doing that.